welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of starring messages in WhatsApp on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. You can do this by double-clicking on the WhatsApp icon or searching for it in your Applications folder. Step 2. Go to the desired chat. Locate the chat in which you want to star a message. Click on the chat to open it. Step 3. Right-click on the message and select Star from the menu. Once you're inside the chat, find the specific message you want to star. Right-click on the message to open a context menu, and then choose the Star option. By following these simple steps, you've successfully starred a message in WhatsApp on your PC. To view all your starred messages, click on the three-dot menu icon located at the top right corner of the chat window. From the drop-down menu, select Starred Messages. Here, you'll find a collection of all the messages you've starred for easy access and reference. To unstar a message, simply repeat the process and select the Unstar option from the context menu. That's all there is to it. You know how to star messages in WhatsApp on your PC. It's a handy feature to help you keep track of important messages or ones you want to revisit later. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.